slowly. This thing been chose me, and I was thinking like liquor. See, look too bright, that body's right. My heart and mind was like liquor, but with my body aching from conversations, just got mistaken. I quickly took the number and passed the answer for the nation. I remember waking up at the flat, fucked up in the back, checking on my weed and splash. I damn near fell out the flat. I hit the sack and sleep it all over Boosie and still focus, whispers, thinking about that kind of bitch that was smoking. Fuck it, let's get a